review. Finally, we have AICP custom ROM, which is Android 12.1 based. So something different name comes with Android 12.1 for Redmi 7 and Redmi Y3 as well. So I'm going to review in that video. Hope you guys will watch till the end. You people don't watch full videos and keep doing comments, and I expect from you people first watch full video and then of course you guys can do the comment, no problem. So first of all, really thanks to the builder for building this one, and this is AICP. And what should we use that in that ROM or not for daily life? So let's get started with the about section. And here is the Android version 12 of course, and this is AICP custom ROM logo, and Xiaomi Redmi 7 Android version, and AICP experience which is 17.1 Android 12L. Let's see. In * Android 12L not included, but this is Android 12.1 and August security update, and kernel used SimSpark Plus. Nowadays almost all ROM come with that SimSpark kernel, and which is really capable. Then we have the system, and I'm using here the vanilla build, so I recommend you people always to use vanilla build and use any light G apps so that you people can easily get better experience and handy features. So this is the settings included in that ROM, like Project Blaze and other ROMs. And we have here the thermal profile. You people can set thermal profiles on any specific applications, and here we have the FPS overlay. Then we have the display color calibration. If you have the ideas, then you guys can change the color of red, green, blue, and then of course saturation values and contrast and hue. That's it. And then we have gesture option, but we don't have the option to customize our navigation wheel button, so that's it. This is the vertical region you guys can select on back gesture. And then we have digital well-being and parental control, other things like other custom ROM. Actually almost every single Android 12 or whatever custom ROM you guys can say, everything is similar. Now what's new, and here we also have the almost everything like fingerprint and 2 fingerprints added, but there is no face unlock, but we have the app lock by default. You people can easily use that app lock too. Then we have the wallpaper section, gallery live wallpapers and wallpaper and styles, and which is really cool. And we have the system icon package here. You guys can select according to your choice. And then we have a great theme icons and other things like change wallpapers. We have on device wallpapers, which I'm using right now, and then of course we have the live wallpapers, and which is dynamically working really fine. And then of course we have the display sound like other things as usual what we have in every single custom ROMs. And then we have the AICP features, which is AICP customization hubs. We have the button and gestures to customize here, arrow keys while typing, and disable taskbar if you need to do then. And of course we have the configuration of keys, cursor control and swap volume buttons and other things. You people already know about that, nothing important here. Then we have the status bar. Everything is available here, and every necessary customizations provided, and customizations are really impressive. Then we have the notifications as usual, like blink clear all notification button if you need that to enable, and blink for incoming calls if you want flashlight blinking option, then you guys can do that. And quick settings as usual, and music tile, vertical layout and styles, animations, duration and interpolator and other things, haptic and data use in QSAT data use. So this is the data use. You guys can see here 612 megabyte I already used, and this is really cool feature. And brightness slider position can be changed, and display footer text custom I already added here, and panel transparency can be changed. And then we have here the styles can be selected, rotate, flip X and flip Y. Let me show you one. And this is the rotation of X, this is the animation. this is cool features, and lock screen, weather and theming like Monet Engine, icon pack, icon shapes can be changed, and this is some kinds of fonts, not so much but a bit to change, and icon shapes and icon packs are there. So theming is cool. Other UI tweaks, toast and launch music, so CPU and AOD on charging, everything is fine, and charging animation if you need can enable, and other animations is system behavior and system extension, recents, and recents if you want like slim and other, you guys can enable, and only 3-button navigation mode is supported. If you are using navigation peel button, then you guys can't use that feature. If you use the physical button, then of course you guys can use that feature. And then of course ads, block ads with modified HOTS file, so that's important feature if you need to enable. And we have the game space, of course, if you want to play games then. And we have other things like about and lock. I don't want to say that, just about. That's all to show you. This is the user interface, and I didn't face any single lag and starter, not a single lag and starter, because this is really impressive and mind-blowing, and app opening closing animations are really just awesome. I'm impressed about that. But the scores I found, which is a bit low, single core is just awesome, but multi-core is a very low, which is 861, but it will be changed gradually if you keep using that ROM for some days then, of course. And I found the CPU throttling result, which is also not impressive. I tried it for twice. Firstly I got it 68%, then I got it 70%, but if you keep using for some days you will get more. And safety net doesn't pass by default. I got that issue, but it can be fixed. CTS profile match failed, I guess. Yes, CTS profile match failed, so you need to follow my video to pass it safety net. So this is the ROM actually we have AICP to use. If you want to use in your daily life, of course you guys can do that, and if you don't want to use, then of course it's up to you. So that's it. Hope you guys understand the video. So thank you for watching.